Hi, Poulami here. So welcome to my channel. So today what we are going to do is we are going to achieve this particular makeup look over here. And to achieve this makeup look, what you guys need to do is to just keep on watching. And after watching this video, if you really enjoy this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and maybe share it with your friends, family, with your loved ones, anyone you prefer. And now, without any more further wasting of your valuable time, let's roll into the intro. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my entire base makeup, so I'll quickly go ahead and start on with my eyeshadow palettes. And the very first palette that I'm going to take right now for today's look is going to be my Morphe Extreme Stars palette, which is this one over here. And from this palette, the shade that I'm going to take right now is going to be this one over here. So I'm just going to take this particular shade over here, and dusting off the excess, I'm just going to start putting it onto my transition area. So I'm just taking a little at a time and dusting off the excess. I'm just repetitively putting it onto my crease area, and I'm just blending it with the same brush. I'm trying to diffuse the edges so that everything looks very nice and seamless and diffused. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I am today creating like a very basic look, and at the same time I'm just trying to amp it up a little bit. Like I'm just going to play with the basic colors, being the browns, the nudes and everything like that. No colorful colors for today's look. So yeah, that's a good news for you if you are not someone from the colorful clan. So now at this point, I'm kind of happy with how that brown shade is looking. So what I'm going to do is right now I'm just going to intensify this brown shade a little bit more. And to intensify any color, I prefer using a little bit of black into like that color. So yeah, I'm just going to do that right now. Color that I'm going to take right now is going to be from the same palette, but it is going to be like this one. It is not a black, but it is a very cool tone and dark brown shade. So taking that shade and dusting off the excess and taking that shade onto like a small blending brush, I'm just going to put it onto my crease. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just taking the shade, and you can see like the color that I have got is just by one dip. So I'm just not going to do another dip because it's quite pigmented and intense. So now just changing the brush, I'm just going to blend it onto like that dark brown shade. And to do that I'm just using like another brush, but it is like a clean brush, so that I can just blend the outlines of this particular dark shade. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just doing right now. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with that dark brown shade and intensifying up my crease a little bit. So as you can see, it's all done. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my concealer and cut my crease. And to do that, today I'm using my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So I'm just going to take this particular concealer over here, and I'm just going to start cutting my crease. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my cut crease, and for my cut crease today I haven't taken it any high up above my crease level. I have just followed my natural crease line to do this particular cut crease for today's particular look, because I was not trying to add a lot of drama. I'm happy with how it is looking right now. So I'll quickly go ahead and start with decorating my cut crease. So to the very inner corners, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this white shade over here, which is basically this one, taking it onto my small brush. I'm just going to put it onto the very inner corners, like onto just the beginning of the cut crease. So I'm just going to take that shade and pat it onto like this area. I'm just not going to do anything more than that. So now for the next color, the color that I'm going to take right now is going to be this one. So I'm just going to take this one and then that one, and then I'm just going to go towards like this one. So I'm just going to take all these three colors one by one. So again I'm going to show like like first I'm just going to go with this one, and second with that one, and then I'm just going to end it with this one. So this is how I'm just going to go right now. So I'm just showing you so that it is convenient to follow up. I'm starting with this light orangey brown shade from that white shade so that everything looks very nice and diffused, and that is what I'm going to do. I'm just shading the edges of this orangey brown shade with this white shade. Now going towards the second shade, I am going to put it onto like this area. Again, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just starting from that orangey brown shade and I'm putting it onto like this area, and again I'm just blending and shading the shades back towards the first shade. So I'm just taking the shade and blending it. You need to blend the edges very properly, otherwise it's going to look very funny. It's going to look like like 1 2 3, like 3 distinct lines are there. Obviously you do not want that, so you need to blend the edges of the colors and diffuse them onto like one another. So now going towards the last shade, which is this very dark brown shade, and which I have put onto like this corner of the area. I'm just taking that shade and blending it. So right now, as you can see that I'm almost done with the entire look. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to draw some liner, and for liner today I'm using my NYX Epic Ink liner, which is basically this one, and taking this particular liner over here, I'm just going to draw like a nice thick liner. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my liner. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take my Colourpop Cosmetics glitter palette. It just came into my mind suddenly. So I'm just from this particular palette, I'm just going to take this beautiful brown glitter over here, which is basically this one. And taking this beautiful glitter, I'm just going to start putting it onto my lower lash line. I'm not very sure about this, but I'm just going to see after putting it, and yeah. So this is how it is looking after putting on those glitters. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now as you can see that I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. So yeah, this is how my look turned out to be. I've just tied my hair up into like a messy bun to complement the look, and on my lips today I'm wearing my Smashbox Always On a lipstick, which is in the shade Audition. So I'm just wearing it on my lip, and this is how my entire makeup is looking right now. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.